In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 1 in Minecraft Forge. So, the best solution and what works for most people is to disable mods, okay? Now, Minecraft mods, of course, can bring you fun during your gameplay, but they can affect your game and trigger issues like exit or error code 1 in Minecraft. And again, besides, Mojang often releases news updates, so for Minecraft, that may be incompatible with some mods, okay? So, in case there has been a new update and you may have a mod that isn't compatible with that update, that's the biggest reason why you could be getting the error code 1 inside Minecraft. So, in case you're getting this exit code, try disabling those mods with the following steps, okay? The first one is to open the run window by pressing Windows and R keys. So press Windows and R, and you will get up something like this over here on my computer, and you want to type in %appdata%, and you want to press simply enter, and this will open up a folder, okay? Now inside that folder, you want to look for the roaming folder, and once you click it, you will have to find and open the .minecraft folder. Now in there, what you want to do is open up logs folder and then open the latest .txt file. Now in this file, you will see all the problems that the game may have had when you last played it. So if there's any problems with any mod, so if it says, for example, this mod didn't work or something along those lines, simply delete that mod from your mods inside Minecraft. But if it doesn't say anything, try disabling or deleting all the mods you have whatsoever, and then relaunch Minecraft, and you'll see in case that still happens. If it doesn't, that means there's been an error with a mod that hasn't been displayed inside this latest folder, and then you can simply just leave it as it is, so leave all the mods disabled, or simply disable one by one and try if the game is working. And that's it, that's the most possible and most frequent fix for this error, and I hope this video helped you out.